First word. Heart. Heart means dil. Let's see one example. Heart beats. दिल धड़कता है. Second word. Prove. Prove means साबित करना. Let's see one example. Prove you are innocent. साबित करो तुम निर्दोष हो. Third word. Do. Do means बहुत. Let's see one example. She is too beautiful. वो बहुत सुंदर है. Fourth word. Petrol. Petrol means petrol. Let's see one example. Petrol cost is rising. पेट्रोल का खर्च बढ़ रहा है. Fifth word. Kids. Kids means बच्चे. Let's see one example. Kids are honest. बच्चे ईमानदार हैं. To be updated, hit subscribe button and press bell icon.